Comparison is the spice of life. Pitting two items side by side is definitely one of those things that keeps us on our toes. So when people hear some chit-chat about the very first decentralized copy trading platform, you can bet everything you have that people are going to make comparisons. Can you really blame them though? How else will they know to appreciate the genius that lies before them without comparisons? With that line of thought, we've decided to take the stress away from you and make the comparisons ourselves. What makes FANZ the go-to platform? What makes it so special over other platforms? Why do we even need a decentralized platform? Does it make a difference? Do you want to find out the answer to these questions? If yes, then you have to stick around to the end. Let's go! One of the many side effects of the 2008 financial crisis was the resulting loss of trust in traditional financial institutions, as well as a sharply declining satisfaction in the age-old industry. With dwindling trust in financial institutions, investors began looking for something they could trust to offer them the best financial information available. Social networks and media rose to the challenge and filled the widening gap. A new term called social trading is then coined. Social trading simply means the sharing of investment-related information, advice, and strategies through interpersonal networks. According to a recent survey of over 3,000 investors, it found that about 75% of them make use of financial information obtained from their friends, family, or online comments. Talk about plugging a hole, huh? When it comes to cryptocurrency, a similar platform is needed to provide all the necessary information to make sound business decisions. To fill that gap came several centralized platforms like eToro, Iondo, and Wikifolio. The centralized systems, CeFi, these platforms make use of, now have competition from decentralized systems, or DeFi for short. In case you don't know, centralized finance refers to a financial institution, product, or service that is routed through an intermediary. The term is a very broad one that encompasses everything from banks to payment providers like PayPal and Venmo. Decentralized finance, on the other hand, is a brand new, fresh off the shelves kind of technology that is based on the blockchain networks, as it involves crypto assets. The services that DeFi offers range from permissionless lending and borrowing to APY-generating yield accounts and so much more. With DeFi, users can lock up their assets to earn more reward incentives, gain governance privileges, voting rights, among others. While this is all great and good, what you want to know is where they differ. Well, with CeFi cryptocurrency exchanges, the exchange provides liquidity sources for traders to access. On the other hand, DeFi allows its users to provide liquidity through liquidity provisioning. Sidebar: with CeFi platforms, the generated fees make profits for the company, but for DeFi, the fact that there is no intermediary means that the fees generated are distributed to the users as rewards in the form of a variable APY. With FANZ, users no longer have to deal with the never-ending stress they go through when making use of centralized platforms. The stresses, the never-ending costs, the additional fees that are synonymous with the traditional trading platforms are erased with the decentralized FANZ platform. Now all they have to do is simply click on a trader's profile to get all the information they need. It's almost like a cheat code, to be honest, doing very little for all of the information you need to make huge, humongous profits. Not only do you have access to the trader's profile, but you'll also have access to the trader's performance fees. If you are a baby investor, this is the time you break out a dance move. With all of this information at your fingertips, new and intermediate investors don't have to spend many hours searching and save up a lot on transaction fees and skill acquisition. All they have to do is follow the path laid down by those more experienced in the game. With a decentralized copy trading platform, anyone interested can simply follow the best performing trader of their choice to make the best financial option for them. The goal is to make more money, correct? Following that logic, we can all agree that anything that makes that journey easier is highly welcome. Want to know another beneficial move for you? Subscribing to this channel for more content like this. You should also like the video and subscribe to the channel in anticipation. All done? Good. Let's move on. One of the key advantages of the FANZ platform is the fact that it adds value to investors who are socially inclined. The platform provides an outlet for those who are burdened with money-making strategies. Those individuals can easily set themselves apart from others in numerous ways that go beyond the simple risk and return metrics. This is especially advantageous as there is quite an overlap between socially responsible and cryptocurrency investors. The social trading sector is one that holds a great deal of potential. Everyone knows that. Despite the many things the sector has to offer, it battles with a great deal of criticism. Among those are the providers' pricing schemes and the fee structures. The other fees include list conversion fees, transfer fees, withdrawal fees, overnight rollover fees, deposit fees, non-trading fees, commission-related charges, variable spread costs, among others. Well, with the FANZ DeFi platform, those fees disappear. As a decentralized platform, FANZ platform does not have to deal with such fees because it doesn't have the middleman issue that CeFi platforms have to deal with. Without a middleman, all of those hidden fees are unnecessary. CeFi Copy Trading platforms have to deal with poor ratings from dissatisfied clients. For example, over 4,000 Trustpilot reviews of eToro reveal that more than half of those reviews were one-star bad quality ratings. It's gotten so bad that frustrated people went ahead to report the bad practices to the financial authorities. With the FANZ platform, users are gifted with the opportunity to make the best use of trends and long-standing econometric observations. Users don't have to figure everything out themselves anymore, as there are experts with several strategies to help them through whatever phase they might find themselves in. With this need met, behaviors that are bad for investing like herd behavior, overtrading, and short-termism are avoided. Investors can now release themselves from the shackles of general market trends and follow the right path that easily leads to financial freedom without wandering in the desert first. With the right individuals and the right strategies right when you need them, investing just became a whole lot easier. If you enjoyed this video, you can let us know by smashing that like button. You can also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and let us know any topic about FANZ you'd like us to discuss in coming videos. Till next time, stay safe.